Hi, my name is David Austin, and I am the president of Net-0-Power. I just want to take a moment of your time to introduce you to really what became Net-0-Power, and some of the motivations behind that. A little bit about me. For the last 20 years or so, have been in the high-tech industry, and in those first dozen years or so, was really involved in computer chip manufacturing. And about a dozen years ago, decided that we were going to start focusing more on the solar energy because actually I just had a real need to do something that I felt would be more lasting and was more important. And so we formed Kiinetics, a company that's involved in interactive tools, and really started focusing on the solar industry. And as we did this, we eventually developed solar intelligence. Solar intelligence is software that helps integrators figuring out how much the financial analysis can help out there and to do the correct solar analysis. So it's a pretty high-tech piece of software. But personally, I've always been frustrated because it has seemed to me that until this point that renewable energy has only been the vestige of those who have considerable spending money. And this only comprises anywhere from 5% to 10% of the population. But when you consider those people who can actually install panels on their homes, or where it's a good situation to do that, it really narrows it down to just a couple percentage. And being an environmentalist real at heart, and this is really why we're doing this here, because this is really what it's all about. Of course, it's great to make money, and I'm a firm believer that in order to make renewable energy really fly, you have to make it so it's profitable. And so it was out of that idea that Net-0-Power was born. Really, it was out of the idea that we wanted to empower everyone to have the opportunity to experience the joys of having a Net-0-Power solution. So with Net-0-Power, you can really have any device, not rely on the grid, that operates completely in a green fashion while using electricity coming out of their wall. And this has really been the culmination of many years in development and thought and consideration. We're resting on years of PPA research and technology, but we have considerable amount of intellectual property of our own that's really making this possible. And we're real excited for those that are really going to work with us and be partners to take this to the next level. It is my expectation that the time will come, and that it will be relatively soon, where everyone will have a Net-0-Power device, whether that's a cell phone, a laptop, it's a toaster oven, anything that runs on electric, that there will be people who will be clamoring to take advantage of this and to acquire for themselves what we call the points, these cashback points, which really are just dividends that allow them to not only save the environment, but to be able to make money off of saving the environment in a way that's fair to everyone. And those of you who have the wisdom to invest in this, I want to express my appreciation and let you know that I'm looking forward to working with you. Thanks.